Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome and please kindly subscribe. Acne is a widespread skin condition. It affects millions and even myself, but I took steps to find what works for me to get rid of it. This common problem occurs when pores become clogged. The clogs are a mixture of oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. These clogged pores lead to blemishes. Blemishes can range from blackheads to whiteheads. Pimples, nodules, and cysts are also forms of acne. Understanding the cause of acne is the first step to treating it. Proper skincare can help manage and prevent breakouts. Acne can impact self-esteem. Finding the right treatment is important. Consulting a dermatologist can provide personalized advice. A consistent skincare routine is crucial for managing acne. This includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Several factors contribute to acne development. Hormonal fluctuations play a significant role. Genetics can also predispose individuals to acne. Diet and stress can exacerbate breakouts. Proper skincare and lifestyle choices can help manage acne effectively. Egg whites offer a natural remedy for acne. Proteins in egg whites kill bacteria and tighten pores. This reduces breakouts and minimizes pores. Egg white masks are cost-effective and absorb oil. They nourish and balance the skin for overall health. Creating an egg white mask is easy. You'll need 2 to 3 egg whites. Separate the whites from the yolks carefully. Place the egg whites in a clean bowl. This is the base of your mask. Whisk the egg whites lightly. You don't need to whisk them until they are stiff. Just a light whisk is enough. This will create a smooth consistency. It will be easy to apply to your face. Use clean fingers or a makeup brush. Apply the egg whites to your face. Avoid the eye area. The skin around the eyes is delicate. You can apply the mask to your neck as well. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it to dry slightly. You'll feel a tightening sensation. This is normal. After the time is up, rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Face masks offer numerous benefits for the skin. They provide deep cleansing. They can remove impurities and excess oil. This helps to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Regular use can lead to a clearer complexion. Face masks also exfoliate the skin. They remove dead skin cells. This reveals brighter, smoother skin. Exfoliation can also improve skin texture. It can minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hydration is another key benefit of face masks. They can replenish moisture in the skin. This can improve skin elasticity and plumpness. Hydrated skin looks healthier and more youthful. Face masks can address dryness and dehydration. Face masks can also target specific skin concerns. There are masks for acne, dryness, and aging. They deliver concentrated ingredients to the skin. This can provide targeted treatment for various skin issues. Choosing the right mask is essential for optimal results. Exploring the diverse world of face masks. There are various types of face masks available. Rinse-off masks are common. They are applied as a cream or paste and washed off after drying. These masks can cleanse, hydrate, and exfoliate. Peel-off masks are another option. These are gel-based masks that harden on the skin and are then peeled off. This type of mask provides deep cleansing and can also remove blackheads and whiteheads. Sheet masks are popular for their convenience. These are pre-soaked fabric sheets applied to the face, delivering concentrated ingredients. Sheet masks can address various skin concerns and are easy to use and dispose of. Overnight masks are designed to be worn while sleeping. These masks provide intense hydration and nourish the skin overnight. They can address dryness and dullness, making them ideal for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Mastering the art of face mask application. Do's and don'ts. Proper application is crucial for maximizing mask benefits. Always cleanse your face before applying a mask. This removes dirt and makeup, allowing the mask to penetrate the skin effectively. Clean skin ensures better absorption of ingredients. Leave the mask on for the recommended time, usually 10 to 30 minutes. Follow the instructions on the product label. Overusing a mask can irritate the skin. Respecting the recommended time prevents potential issues. Apply a moisturizer after removing the mask. This helps to lock in moisture and keeps the skin hydrated. Moisturizer is an essential step in any skincare routine. It protects the skin barrier. Choose a mask suited for your skin type. Different skin types have different needs. Oily skin requires different ingredients than dry skin. Selecting the right mask ensures optimal results and addresses specific skin concerns. Timing is key. When to apply your face mask. The best time to apply a mask depends on your skin type. For oily or combination skin, apply after showering. This allows for deeper cleansing as the pores are open after showering. enhancing the mask's effectiveness. If you have dry skin, apply before showering. This can help lock in moisture, and the steam from the shower can further enhance hydration, preventing the mask from drying out the skin. Sheet masks can be used before other skincare steps. Apply them after cleansing, then follow with toner, serum, and moisturizer. This allows for better absorption of subsequent products. Sheet masks provide a boost of hydration. Overnight masks are applied as the last step in your nighttime routine. Apply them after cleansing and moisturizing. These masks work while you sleep, providing intense hydration and nourishment. The importance of a consistent skincare routine. A regular skincare routine is essential for healthy skin. Cleansing removes dirt and makeup. Toning balances the skin's pH. Moisturizing hydrates and protects the skin. These steps are fundamental for maintaining skin health. A consistent routine can improve complexion, reduce breakouts and blemishes, and improve skin tone and texture. Regular skincare contributes to a more radiant and youthful appearance. Sunscreen is a crucial part of any skincare routine. It protects the skin from harmful UV rays. Sun damage can lead to premature aging and skin cancer. Daily sunscreen use is essential for maintaining healthy skin. A personalized skincare routine is key. Consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. They can assess your skin type and concerns and recommend suitable products and treatments. Professional guidance can optimize your skincare regimen. Achieving radiant skin with proper mask usage. Incorporate face masks to enhance your complexion. Choose masks for your skin type and apply correctly. Regular use addresses skin concerns, promoting radiance. Consistency is key, whether DIY or store-bought. Avoid overuse to prevent irritation. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. A balanced diet and hydration boost skin health. Enjoy the benefits of healthy, radiant skin. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and self-care routines. Check out my other videos on DIY face masks, skincare routines. Thanks for watching, and remember to take some time for yourself.